Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. Today's New Year's Eve. What a good way to celebrate. Is a good way to light up fireworks. In fact, I like fireworks, and the New Year's Eve of the fireworks is gonna be today and midnight. So just so you know that someday Joseph and I will destroy COVID. I can show you who Joseph is. Yeah, I'll show you Joseph. Okay. So that's me right here, and this guy is Joseph. That's gonna destroy COVID and bring Buddy back from him. He's gonna rescue him. So, just so you know that we're gonna see fireworks today, and I'm gonna be on a group call with Sayer and Christian, which are these two guys, and that's gonna be coming up that's gonna be coming up in 2 days, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun. Just so you know that I'm excited for New Year's Eve. So, as anyways, for the New Year's Eve, we'll take a look at my fun New Year's Eve slideshow museum. A fun slideshow museum we'll take a look at now. So here we go. Let me find it 1 second. Yep, that's me with the elevators. Oh, sorry. Wait, sorry about that. So this is where I put the Happy New Year 2022, which that's gonna be coming up. And here's the New Year's Eve, which is lots of fireworks. Wow, that's nice. And an elevator too. I love elevators. Last time I chose blue, but this time I choose purple. So, and now we'll take a look at my new pictures from now and decades ago. This is a picture of me that was from this year, of me wearing the nice Phineas and Ferb t-shirt. And that's a picture of me back in 2013, my sister eating ice cream bars back in 2013. And that's a picture of me when I was a child. And that's a picture of me when I was a baby in Pakistan. So hope everybody has a wonderful happy New Year's Eve. Light up fireworks and have have a happy fun dance, and God bless you all. Bye everyone.